Are you tired of casting your line into the unknown, hoping to stumble upon a school of fish? Look no further than a side imaging fish finder. This powerful tool uses advanced sonar technology to give you a clear picture of what's happening beneath the surface, helping you to locate the perfect spot to reel in your catch. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the best side imaging fish finders on the market, their features, and how to use them effectively to improve your fishing game. Get ready to discover a whole new world of underwater fishing possibilities with a side imaging fish finder. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Garmin Striker Vivid 9 SV. Garmin is the leading competitor with Humminbird for fish finders, whether they're down imaging or side imaging. The Striker Plus 9 volts is a strong contender, almost earning the top spot in our reviews due to its lower price with competitive features. The dual beam transducer utilizes Garmin's Chirp traditional sonar imaging technology, plus Chirp Clear VU and Chirp Side VU scanning sonars. Built-in Wi-Fi access allows you to receive notifications and easily upgrade your device to the latest software. The included GPS interfaces with your maps can create the shortest routes to your favorite fishing spots and delivers real-time readings of your boat's speed and location. Power cables, data cable, tilt mount, transom and trolling motor mounts and a 4-pin to 8-pin adapter cable are all standard accessories included with the basic package. Number 2. Lowrance HDS Live. Lowrance enters our best side imaging fish finders list with a slightly higher priced device than those offered above by Humminbird and Garmin. The HDS Live fish finder weighs in just shy of 9 pounds. Its 12.6 by 9.06 by 9.84 footprint is larger than competing models, but the packed options in this device take a little extra space. Simultaneous Chirp sonar with structure scan 3D high definition imaging offers the best possible view of fish and underwater structure. The side imaging software delivers crisp, clear views on both sides of your boat as you slowly troll up a lake, or cruise offshore a few hundred yards from the beach. The color sonar map clearly displayed on the 7-inch screen is among the best available on the market. The easy routing feature allows you to navigate to your favorite fishing spot utilizing the built-in GPS software with the stored maps. Number 3. Lowrance Hook 2. A triple-shot transducer with installed inland United States lakes provides intricate detail in locating your favorite fishing spots. Wider sonar coverage with wide-angle Chirp sonar technology, creating an acoustic cone that covers nearly twice the area of competing models, makes this a favorite for anglers on the Great Lakes and other expansive bodies of water. The 9x7.5x7.13-inch footprint offers easy mounting on watercraft of various sizes. The Hook 2 is a favorite for kayaks, canoes, and even float tube anglers. The preloaded Lowrance software offers detailed maps of 4,000 American lakes. Easy setup with the included transom or trolling motor mounting hardware makes it easy to transfer this fish finder from one boat to another. An added feature is the ability to upgrade the software and to store map images on a standard SD card. Number 4. Humminbird Helix 7. The MSI acronym in the device's name indicates it is side imaging, mega side imaging in Humminbird's product description. A 7-inch screen, with buttons rather than a touchscreen interface, enhances durability on the water. The heavy-duty button interface is built to withstand the often savage conditions of salt, sun, and sand in saltwater applications. The side imaging technology is designed to deliver high-definition images up to 125 feet, ca. 38 meters, away from your boat on both sides. A low-power, dual-spectrum Chirp transducer offers a pair of imaging modes. The wide setting searches a wide area for fish and structure, while the narrow mode offers enhanced imaging for maximum quality of detail. The dual beam transducer, power cable, mounting bracket, and mounting hardware are all included in the basic package. Number 5. Humminbird Helix 5. Every Humminbird fish finder comes with its outstanding contour mapping software. Combine this mapping feature with the stored contour images of over 10,000 lakes along with the Pacific Coast, the Eastern Seaboard, and the Gulf Coast, and there aren't many bodies of water you can't locate yourself on exactly. This mapping option interfaces seamlessly with the onboard GPS system included in the Helix 5. The dual beam sonar technology allows detailed imagery at greater depths than competing models. The Helix 5 is an older model with great features, available at a lower price than more recent side imaging fish finders. A 5-inch screen, transom mounting hardware, internal GPS, and Humminbird's rigorous push-button controls make this device a great choice for saltwater and freshwater applications. Dual beam plus sonar, 2 beams combined for great detail and a generous coverage area, helping you identify fish, structure and contours. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.